When does Maid of the Mist close for winter at Niagara Falls? Imagine standing at the edge of one of the most powerful waterfalls in the world and wondering when you can experience it from the water again. The Maid of the Mist boat tour in Niagara Falls, New York, usually wraps up its season in early November. For the year 2025, the last day of operation is set for November 2. After that, the boats stay docked, and the attraction closes until the weather warms up again. The reopening typically happens around May 1, but this depends on when the ice melts in the Niagara River. During winter, ice buildup makes it unsafe for boats to navigate the river. The tour begins at the observation tower in Niagara Falls State Park, where visitors get ready with rain ponchos and head out on double-deck electric vessels. These boats take you close to the American Falls and Horseshoe Falls, giving you an unforgettable view. When the cold weather hits, the river freezes over, and the tour stops for safety reasons. The closure from early November through late April helps protect visitors and crew while preserving the experience for the warmer months. So, if you're planning a trip to upstate New York and want to include this iconic boat tour, remember that it usually ends just after Halloween and starts up again in late spring. The schedule is based on weather and ice conditions, so it can vary slightly each year. But generally, you can expect the Maid of the Mist to be closed from November 3rd until around May 1st. This way, everyone stays safe, and the natural beauty of Niagara Falls can be appreciated from the water during the best times of year. Whether you're visiting during the summer or planning a spring or fall adventure, knowing these dates helps you plan your Niagara and Western New York trip perfectly.